Super Control Panel is a great way to change settings on your Olympus camera. And before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that bell so you get noticed when there's a new video online. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. My channel is all about you getting to be a better photographer. Olympus menu system isn't the simplest one. It's sometimes very hard to find what you need. But there is a fast and an efficient way to change settings on your Olympus camera. And it's called the Super Control Panel. Or some of the settings that you can change using the Super Control Panel are ISO, white balance, image stabilizer settings, save settings, autofocus area, autofocus mode, phase priority, RAW or JPEG, metering mode, image aspect ratio, shadow highlight control, and for example drive mode, from where you can access Pro Capture, silent mode, self timer, etc. By pressing the OK button in back of your camera, you can access the Super Control Panel. But if it doesn't turn on by pressing the OK button, then we have to go into the settings and make it available. Go to the special menu D or D1 depending on the Olympus camera that you have. Choose control settings, choose the mode you use, make sure that live SCP has a checkmark and live control has not. Some older Olympus cameras need to have the live control off for Super Panel to work. And I will get back to the live control and tell you what it is. Now you can change the settings from Super Control Panel either by using the arrow pad or make a quick double tap on the LCD of your Olympus camera. Unfortunately, the settings cannot be changed by using the touchscreen. You need to use the arrow pad, except when you want to choose the active focus point. The Super Control Panel is also visible in your EVF, so you can change the settings without taking your eye off the EVF. Very good feature. Very, very good. Live control looks like this, and it's very similar to Super Control Panel. In live control, the settings are on the side. And to choose which one you want to change, use the arrow pad for changing and then press OK to choose the settings that you want to change. I prefer the Super Control Panel to change my settings on my Olympus camera, but if you're more familiar with the live control, that's fine. I think you should use the one that feels more comfortable. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now!